I am Donna and this is Budget Friendly Cooking. This is the place where I prepare simple, easy, budget friendly and delicious recipes. So if you're looking for something like that, you stick around, make sure you subscribe, and I will share recipes every week. So today we're gonna make potato and tuna patties. Very simple. We need a couple of potatoes which are already boiled. I boiled them this morning. Canned tuna, capers, a little bit of capers, a little bit of dill because dill is always good with the fish, and salt and pepper. That's it. If you have lemon zest and juice will be good too with that, but you know, you can skip that. So I'm gonna finish peeling my potatoes, and then I'm gonna mash that together with tuna. So it's like 5-minute prep, and then we're gonna fry them. You can bake them or you can fry them. It's totally up to you. It doesn't need a lot of oil either. And you can serve it with a dollop of sour cream, or you can make aioli. I think the lemon aioli with a little bit of capers will be wonderful with that. So I'm kind of meshing, but not very fine. So you can leave little chunks of potatoes. Let's say this canned tuna should be good. I like when it's cooked inside. Sometimes they cook tuna and then pack it in the cans, but I like when they put fresh one and then cook inside in steam, or I don't know, however they do. All right, I'm gonna dump all the juice in there too, and we can break this into parts. And you don't need to add any eggs to bind. Potatoes are a really good binder. And you also don't need any breadcrumbs. So although you can dip in the breadcrumbs and fry like that too, that is another option, but I'm not gonna do that. Okay, that looks perfect. Look at that. So nice chunks of tuna, nice chunks of potatoes. You're gonna season with a little bit of salt. And I have a freshly cracked black pepper here because that's what I love. I'm gonna add a little bit of capers, about a tablespoon. I'm gonna break those dill, right? You can chop it, but let's make it easy. And let's start our skillet. As I said, this is really fast and kids will love it. So if you want something, of course you can always have like potatoes, like baked potatoes and tuna, just like that. But if you want to do something more sophisticated and kind of looking fancy, that's what you can do. I'm gonna mix it really nice, gently, so that all the flavors are well incorporated. And then I'm gonna scoop a little bit, just like that, and make some patties. Okay, just like that. Make sure that they are nicely packed. Okay, there you go. That's pretty. And everything is cooked, so we just need like nice crisp from outside. That's all we need. Gonna add a little bit of neutral oil, like vegetable or canola or sunflower oil, and then gently place our patties here. And my heat is on medium low. Okay. Alright, then we're going to fry them from both sides for about 2-3 minutes. Now we're going to check very gently and just flip it over. Look at that, nice and golden. It's usually very soft when it's hot, so when it gets cooler, it will get harder. So if you wanted to make it like not break, so you can always add 1 egg maybe to bind. That will be good. Or just dip it in the egg wash and then dip it breadcrumbs on a little bit of flour. But you know, still good. So it's been cooking for about 2 minutes from one side. I'm gonna just keep cooking and make it look pretty as if nothing happened here. All right. So that's why it's very important to pack it like nice and tight. Like these are kind of nice and tight. And they're beautiful. Okay, guys, I have nice fresh salad here. I'm gonna put my potato and tuna patties, maybe 2. Let's do 2. Okay, let's do without breaking it because it's my lunchtime. And I made a little bit of dressing here, very simple dressing with tahini and lemon juice and olive oil, and I'm gonna drizzle that over. Are you guys ready? I am. Actually, I had a couple of bites already. All right, let's try again, and I'll just, pretend that I am tasting the first bite here. It was a cute little bite. It's really good, guys. Capers, very essential in this recipe. Good tuna is very important. Don't get the cheap one. Because this is a cheap recipe. This is not an expensive one. This is like under $5. So you just need like potatoes, tuna, dill, capers. That's it. And fresh salad and the simple dressing from tahini, olive oil, and lemon juice. It just binds everything together. And you might think that, oh, potato patties with tuna, it's kind of a little boring and dull. But with the salad and dill, it's like perfect combination, really. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like it. And if you have any questions or comments, make sure you write down below. And I will see you guys next week. Bye bye.